What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. I want to show you guys the first, at least to us, but I would definitely say the first Las Vegas ever money green desert sky Cybertruck, Bitcoin Cybertruck. So this truck is done in paint protection film from NanoLink. So depending on how you look at it, the color is going to switch to a deep, nice green. It's got some purples, browns, and different colors, different undertones. It completely shifts, makes it really unique. We also have installed a Bitcoin logo on both sides on the bed right here. There you go. So that's basically embossed underneath the PPF, because he wanted to obviously highlight the fact that he purchased this truck with Bitcoin, and how much he supports Bitcoin, how much he's made with Bitcoin, but he also wanted it to be subtle. So we got it underneath there. As usual, we got every single edge wrapped, which is not what everybody does. It is the CyberBeast. So we got the CyberBeast decals, the foundation decals. We got ceramic tinted windows all around with XPEL XR Plus, which is gonna give you a 99%, 96% heat rejection, 99% UV rejection, lifetime warranty. This PPF from NanoLink is gonna have a 10-year warranty. And I must say, we get a lot of questions, we get a lot of people asking what PPF brands you use, what PPF brands you recommend. There's brands that we don't recommend, there's brands we don't support, there's brands we don't promote. And that goes to say, that's without saying how much we try. Every single brand that comes out, we try. We've tried a lot of brands that people ask for. And the one thing that we found out is a lot of these brands are not making their own film, and a lot of these brands do not stand behind the installer. My job as a business owner, my job as your person that's representing you and that's helping you and is wrapping your vehicle, is to give you a product that's gonna last, and give you a product that I can stand behind. I can stand behind me, so I can stand behind you. At the end of the day, if that company goes under and the film is bad, I will stand behind it. I will change the wrap. I will do whatever it takes to make sure you're satisfied, because we're interested in helping your business for life. That being said, there's brands that we've had. There's a Hyundai Ioniq we had here a couple of weeks ago. We wrapped it about a year ago in a different PPF brand, and it was terrible. We had to end up pulling all the film. The brand did not stand behind us. So what we proceeded to do was purchase new PPF out of our dime and rewrap the entire car for the customer. That is definitely not an experience we're proud of or happy to do every single time, but we are gonna stand behind the customer regardless of the brand. That is the reason why some of the brands, when you guys call us and ask us, that is the reason why there's some brands we do not offer, because we will only work with brands that stand behind us. We have one small issue with NanoLink in the past, in a hood of a Bronco, and they sent us film overnight and got it taken care of. Anyways, getting back into the truck, you can see how we have the foundation decals on the sides, and they're just perfectly straight, kind of like factory. And you can more importantly see the reflection of this Porsche 911 right behind us. This is how glossy this film is. It's a beautiful film, 8mm film, 10-year warranty, long lasting, phenomenal. Now in this case, we have a Porsche 911 with a full body paint protection film applied to every single piece of the body, and we are using XPEL PPF on this one. The one that I like to show is how we wrap every single edge. I mean, some people seeing this video are gonna say this car is not PPF'd, but I'm gonna find a spot to focus right there and zoom in. And you can kind of see right there the little edge of the PPF, but it is hard to see because it is done right. That is the way that we do it here at Purple Flare Wraps. So you can see the mirror was removed, so we don't have a seam here either. Mirror was fully removed. The PPF is installed in one piece with no issues, no problems. Thank you guys so much for your business. Thank you guys for watching our videos. If you guys got a vehicle like this beautiful Porsche 911, you want to protect it with our XPEL paint protection film, give us a call. You got a Cybertruck, you want to protect it, you want to change the color, you want to add some color to it or tint it, give us a call. We're located in the Valley Auto Mall, 7585 Commercial Way. You can see the Freeway 95 runs right there to us, and then you got Auto Show Drive exit right there. Come by the shop, give us a call, visit us. We would love to assist you. Anything regarding paint protection film, window tinting, commercial wraps, color change, ceramic coatings, we would love to help you on it. And we guarantee you the best possible quality of service and the best possible installation at a competitive rate. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this Cybertruck with this beautiful color. It is the first one we've done with the Bitcoin logo and the first one we've done with the Desert Sky logo. I think it looks phenomenal. We're very excited to see what the customer says when he picks up.